In the bustling town of Brightvale, where the streets hummed with laughter and the air smelled of fresh-baked bread, there lived a boy named Ethan. He was smart, quick-witted, and full of energy. But when it came to school, Ethan just didn't see the point. Math? Boring. Reading? Too many words. Science? When will I ever use this? Every day, Ethan dragged his feet to class, doing just enough to get by. His teachers sighed, his parents worried, but Ethan shrugged it off. "I'll be fine," he told himself. One evening, as Ethan was kicking a soccer ball against a fence, an old man in a faded blue coat stopped to watch. His beard was white as clouds, his eyes twinkling like stars. "You play well, boy, but tell me, if you had the chance to discover the greatest treasure in the world, would you take it?" Treasure? Like gold and diamonds? Something far greater. He pulled out a rolled-up map. This map leads to a hidden treasure, but only those who can solve its riddles will find it. Ethan snatched the map eagerly. He loved challenges. This was way better than school. He followed the first clue to the town's library, where an old book held the answer. But the words were tricky, and he needed to read carefully. "Ugh, reading again?" he muttered. An old man nearby smiled and said, "Knowledge is a key, boy." Sighing, Ethan read slowly until, click, he found the next clue. The journey took him everywhere. He had to use math to measure distances, science to mix the right potion to reveal hidden ink, and history to understand an ancient riddle. Each step forced him to use things he had always ignored in school. After hours of thinking, solving, and learning, Ethan reached the final challenge, a locked chest buried beneath an old oak tree. But when he lifted the lid, his heart dropped. Inside was no gold, no jewels, just a small mirror and a note. The note read, "The greatest treasure has always been within you. Knowledge, curiosity, and effort. These are the riches that will open every door in life." Ethan stared at his reflection. It hit him. He had spent years pushing away school, acting like learning didn't matter. But now, he saw it. Every lesson, every subject, every skill was a tool that could shape his future. Many children have access to learning, but only a few recognize it as the treasure it truly is. Now tell me, will you keep ignoring it? No way! From that day on, he saw school differently. Not as a chore, but as his map to success. And so, with a newfound spark in his heart, Ethan picked up his books, not because someone told him to, but because he finally understood. The real treasure wasn't hidden in the world. It was hidden in him all along. Education is not a burden, it's a gift. Every lesson is a piece of treasure that will help you succeed. The question is, will you claim it?
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring stories and educational content.
See ya!